All right, well, welcome back, Central Georgia. Let us jump into Tropical Storm Dolly. So right now we are looking at it on infrared satellite. This kind of gives us an idea of what the shower and thunderstorm activity is doing with this associated low pressure system. Now, a big topic of conversation in the Atlantic right now is wind shear, and that is going to be a big topic of conversation when it comes to this storm as well. So I want to give you an idea of the structure and what it looks like right now. The center of circulation is actually slightly detached from the shower and thunderstorm activity that you're seeing out there right now. This is not the first time that we've seen this. This has actually happened with several of our tropical storms so far this season because of the wind shear. What the wind shear causes it to do is it makes the storm not able to stack vertically, and that actually pushes the center of circulation, which is a further up here to the north, away from the shower and thunderstorm activity, which is actually bubbling down to the south of this storm. So all that to say, it's not expected to be a very strong storm because of that. As we play the track forward, you can see that it's actually going to stay a tropical storm for a little bit longer. But by the time we get to the weekend, it is forecasted to become a remnant low pressure system. So right now, to give you a perspective for where this is located also, because I know we jumped right into the infrared satellite picture, this is actually down off the west coast of Africa, approaching the Lesser Antilles. This is expected to kind of make landfall per se. It's not going to be a tropical storm when it does that up here in the Leeward Islands as we head towards the weekend. So it's going to be another short-lived system. You may remember that was the case also with Cristobal, just a very short system, once again because of high winds that were in the Atlantic. So this is forecasted to gain strength just a little bit. Right now it has winds up to 40 miles an hour, a central low pressure system above 1,000 millibars, so it's not a very strong storm, and it's moving rather quickly. It's moving over to the west at 24 miles an hour. You'll notice with a few of these advisories here, it is forecasted to have winds up to 45 miles an hour, so still tropical storm strength, but strengthening up just a little bit. And then by the time it starts to approach the Leeward Islands, that is when it starts to lose its central circulation and overall becomes a remnant low pressure system by the weekend. So why is it going to be such a short-lived system? Why does it only make it up here to the Leeward Islands and then start dying out? The biggest reason is basically what I just talked about, wind shear. And I'm going to go over in detail what exactly wind shear is in full detail here in just a moment.